So the tool I'm going to go over now is called Loft. It goes into another concept we haven't done so far, which is adding construction planes and manipulating construction planes outside of just drawing off of surfaces that we already have. When you do your first sketches, you do see these three construction planes, and I can put something in for my first one, and this is usually where we're starting out with one of those three first construction planes. Now this up here, the construct area of the solid tab, this is where we can get construction objects, such as an offset plane, and we'll use another one later in a different video. So I'm going to use offset plane, which is the one I tend to use the most. What that lets me do is pick a flat surface and put a place to start a sketch up off of it. So I can put one there, and then I'm going to do another offset plane, and I can actually offset from that second plane and go up. So now these are just two planes. They don't really exist. If I rendered this view, they wouldn't be visible, but it will let me put a sketch plane on them. And you have to keep in mind when you're drawing on a plane, you can see where those grid lines are. Whatever I draw is going to be there. So I'm going to draw a circle, and I'll draw this. You can draw this off to the side. And then I'll draw another sketch on the top view. Now the concept of Loft is connecting these three objects in space, because right now they're just shapes. Previously we've extruded them into 3 dimensions or revolved them into 3 dimensions. But now what I'm going to do is I'll go to create, I hit the wrong button, create Loft, and I can select those objects and Fusion will make them into a 3D shape. So what I'm asking you to do for this assignment is pick a shape, make a shape, give it a material, and then just go ahead and give it quick to the render tab and just render in place just so it's kind of got that shiny finished look. So this is Loft. I'm going to ask for the assignment you to use 3 sketches. So I had the base one, middle one, top one, and just play around with shapes, positioning, how do shapes morph into each other, what does that look like. But this could be a good thing to do for like handles or wire, or just demonstration of something that's kind of a long thing that follows a path, and you can use different shapes, and it'll just kind of follow through those shapes that you ask it to do. All right, thank you, and let me know if you have any questions.